Okay, I make homemade crackers all the time, but I just found out that you can make them with just sourdough starter discard and butter. And so that's what I'm about to do. I don't follow recipes, so I'm literally about to just melt however much butter I think is good and mix it in there. That does not cut butter, apparently. This is like thick. Okay, it's normally a little more water than this. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I'm starting to think that that's too much butter. But, you know, we're just gonna add more starter. Starter discard, I guess. Sourdough discard, whatever you wanna call it. It's not active. I'm gonna start with the butter that's already melted. Probably shouldn't be pouring this into glass. Okay, I think this is good. I don't have parchment paper, so these are probably gonna cook and then not come off the pan, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Oh well. Oh, I didn't preheat the oven. Let's do, I don't know, 375. That sounds good. With no parchment paper. But it's gonna be so good. Come on, okay. All right, a regular spatula works a lot better than the rubber one. We're getting somewhere. That looks good. Remembered that after like 10 minutes, you're supposed to take the crackers out and cut them so that they'll like mostly be separated when they're done. So I'm gonna do that now. I guess I can't cut them all the way. I feel like that's a good size. Okay, now I'm putting it back in to finish baking.